thought in today's video we could talk about these little doodahs. Now, I don't know whether people are really using them anymore, hair donuts, but one thing that's bothered me for years and years is how they're used incorrectly. I'm going to see if I can spin my chair around, which is not easy, but show you exactly how they're meant to be worn. So I'm going to put my hair into a ponytail and I'm just going to tie that up with an elastic. Now, I look terrible with ponytails, which is why quite often my videos are never shown from the front, because you would see the back and you see me looking like this at the front. Not good. But let me turn around and see if I can show you the correct way to use them, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Let me check in the mirror. Can you see me? Yes, hopefully. Now, the bun goes into the hair, and I see most people, what do they do with it? I forget what they do. I think they do something like this maybe, and then they get the ends and maybe wrap around. I'm not really sure, but there always seems to be like a very tight, it seems to be stretched over the bun with like ends wrapped around this bit, but really you're meant to pull it out to the end. This is going to be so hard with that. I'm so sorry that I hope you can see me. Oh, I hope you can see me. You're meant to spread the hair around the donut, and then you just start pulling it back on itself. Oh, this is so hard without a mirror and short hair. So in theory, all the hair gets tucked inside the donut. I don't know if I'm doing it or not. I think I'm doing it, but I'm not sure. Now that feels like it's in a donut. Probably doesn't look that great, but do you understand that now there's no hair left and I don't need to use any grips? I mean, obviously you probably should put a grip in for security and just do my grip technique, which is straight in and then pull back on yourself to get the tension. But I'm sure there's bits all over the place here. Hang on, I can see some bits up there. But that is, in theory, how you use a bun ring. And I'm guessing if you're using them on, you know, your children for their ballet classes or whatever, you would actually be able to see what you're doing. Or maybe if you were doing it on yourself, you would have, no, I can't get it out because I put it so tight with that clip. If you were doing it on yourself, you'd have a mirror so you'd be able to see. But bun rings 101, you're welcome.